Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to change default launcher on Android. So if you do not like your normal default launcher, you can simply change it. For that, first of all, what you have to do is download any launcher. In that case, what you have to do is launch open Play Store. You can see over here, Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar. Now what you have to do is search for the launcher that you want to use. For example, I'm just going to search for Microsoft Launcher. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find the option for Microsoft Launcher over here. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find the option for install. Simply tap on it. You can see over here, I've already installed it. Now after you install any launcher, what you have to do is go to the settings application. So simply launch open settings. You can see over here, settings has been opened. Find the option for apps and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the apps interface. In this interface, what you have to do is find the option for default apps and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the default apps interface. You'll be able to see the default browser app, caller ID app, digital assistant app, etc. What you have to do is find the option for home app. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. By default on the Android device, Quick Step is the default home app. So if you want to change this launcher, what you have to do is tap on the launcher that you downloaded just now. Now you can simply go back. Now you can see over here the changes will be saved. Now your launcher has been changed to the Microsoft launcher. So like this, you'll be able to change the default launcher. So that is how you change default launcher on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.